Have you ever spent what felt like forever trying to help a partner reach orgasm, using every move you know, and she still did not get there? Or perhaps she did, but you felt like you were working far harder than you should have, wondering if it will always demand that much time and effort just to help her climax. I am Dr. Fiona Grey, a urology and men's health expert. I work with men who want intimacy to feel confident, connected, and natural, rather than tense, confusing, or effortful. Today, we will go over 4 ways to shift the focus during intimacy that will make all the difference. There is a way to help many women reach orgasm faster, with less strain and more connection. It is not what you see in adult media. It is also not a new trick or a complicated technique. It is a shift in focus that almost no one talks about. Most men miss one crucial factor that strongly influences whether a woman can relax into pleasure. If you miss it, she stays in her head no matter how good your technique is. Here is the hint. It is not about her genitals. It is about her mind, her nervous system, and how safe and chosen she feels with you long before you touch her. I have worked with thousands of men who wanted a more confident, connected, intimate life. Many of them were trying too hard in the places that matter least, and not investing in the places that matter most. Once you understand why, you can create intimacy that feels effortless, natural, and far more satisfying for both of you. The first shift is simple to understand and powerful in practice. Begin long before you are in the bedroom. A woman's primary sexual organ is her mind. When you plant the seed of desire early, you are not pressuring her. You are inviting her imagination to meet you halfway. During the day, send a brief, genuine message that lets her know you are thinking about her. Keep it respectful and specific to her. Tell her what you admire about her presence, her scent, the way she laughs, the look she gave you that you have not been able to forget. Share a few words about how much you look forward to being close later. When you activate her anticipation, her body will be ready when you are finally together. The most skilled lovers do not begin with hands or mouths. They begin with attention and intention. By the time you touch her, the work is already half done because her mind has been warming up for hours. The second shift is one most men never consider, and it changes everything. Mental load blocks arousal. If her mind is juggling unfinished tasks, worries, or visual clutter, her body will struggle to let go. Picture a bedroom with a pile of laundry, a buzzing phone, and a blinking laptop. You might be able to ignore these distractions. Her nervous system often does not. She is thinking about the dishes she meant to wash, the email she forgot to send, the bag she intended to take out. When her mind is busy, her body cannot fully relax, and orgasm becomes distant or disconnected. The solution is humble and extremely effective. Handle the little things first. Tidy the room, dim the lights, put the phone on silent, close the laptop. Create an environment that signals calm and privacy. This is not about performing chores to earn intimacy. It is about removing friction so her nervous system can settle. When the space is calm, her body has permission to open. You will be amazed how much faster everything flows when her mind is not being pulled in 5 directions. The third shift is about how she feels in your presence. Make her feel singular and chosen, not just wanted for her body. This does not mean grand speeches. It means honest, focused attention. When was the last time you told her something specific that only applies to her? Tell her that you feel lucky to be with her, that there is something about the way she looks at you that undoes you, that the way she carries herself is irresistible. Be precise. General praise is pleasant. Specific appreciation melts resistance. When a woman feels fully seen, Her entire nervous system relaxes. Safety and being chosen are accelerators. They quiet self-consciousness, they soften doubt, and they allow arousal to build without effort. Say it before you touch her. Let your words and your presence do the warming. You will notice the change in her breath, her shoulders, and the way she leans into you. That is the body saying yes. The fourth shift is pacing and anticipation. Many men go directly to the breasts or the genitals because that is what they would want for themselves. For a great many women, that skips the most pleasurable part of the journey. Think of anticipation as the slow unwrapping that makes a gift feel valuable. Start everywhere else. Brush her hair back and linger at the scalp. Kiss along the neck, the collarbone, the inside of the wrists, the arms, the stomach. Trace slow lines across the back and along the outer and inner thighs. Let your hands and lips learn her responses. Watch her breath. Listen to the small sounds. Allow the temperature to rise before you reach the most sensitive places. When you finally touch her breasts or move between her legs, her body will already be awake, primed, and eager. That is how you help her climax faster, with less effort. You have involved her whole body and her whole mind, rather than treating one area as a button you must push. There are a few guiding principles that tie all of this together. Presence beats performance. Slowness beats hurry. Curiosity beats routine. Continually check in with her without breaking the mood. Ask softly if this feels good, if she wants more pressure or less, if she wants you to stay or move. Consent is not a single question with a single answer. It is a steady, respectful dialogue. Confidence grows when both of you feel safe. Safety grows when both of you feel heard. Pleasure builds when both of you feel chosen. When you shift your focus from her genitals to the world around them, everything changes. Her mind is engaged. Her environment supports relaxation. Her sense of being cherished is real, not performative. Her body has been invited, not rushed. The result is a version of her you may not have seen before. Softer, freer, more responsive, and far more likely to climax without strain for either of you. My goal is to give you a clear, step-by-step approach you can use with care and respect. Practice these shifts with patience. Watch how quickly the effort drops and the connection rises. That is the kind of intimate life worth building together. And for men who want that extra boost, I recommend 4 game-changing supplements for better erections, healthy testosterone support, and prostate comfort. Ones I trust for my patients. Check the comments below for the exact products and links. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.